Having pets in your space can be the best thing ever, but having their hair everywhere is not. And nobody loves their furry friends more than Taylor Swift and her 3 famous cats, but we're sure even celebrities have a tough time removing their hair from every surface in their homes. That's why it's helpful to have pet hair remover tools on hand for any time you need to spruce up your space. There are numerous options for cheap best pet hair remover, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best pet hair remover from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover Brush. This small but mighty tool from Analan beat out the other competing products for many reasons, but its dependability was what really sold our tester on it. It was clear from the first few wipes that it was working exactly as it advertised, they shared, later stating how easy it was to remove embedded hair. It was satisfying to see how well it performed. The tool's triangular shape allows you to use its differently grooved sides to dig out even the most lodged hairs, and its easy cleanup process makes this product a standout. Its small size makes it easy to store in a car compartment or even your pocket for quick on-the-go cleans, but that's not to say it's inefficient for around the house. In fact, this product is recommended for use on smaller surfaces like pillows or chair armrests, wherever your furry friend likes to lounge. However, due to his small stature, this tool would not be ideal for bigger cleans. While it's possible, it would be quite labor-intensive, and there are better tools out there for cleaning large surfaces. But for a quick pickup, the Analan is your new best friend. Number 2. Evriholder FURemover Broom Pet Hair Removal Tool with Squeegee. The Evriholder tool is mashed up between a broom and squeegee, and is ideal for those tough to clean rugs and carpets. For a combination of 2 cleaning tools, the $13 price tag makes this product hard to beat. Equipped with rows of unflagged rubber bristles at the end of the tool, picking up hair in thick rugs has never been easier. When using it on a high-pile rug, the hair came up in a ball that was easy to pick up, our tester recorded. Cleaning the tool was made simple due to the rubber bristles attracting the hair into a large clump, so it could be easily extracted from the broom. The only grievance with this budget-friendly option was the length of the handle. When using it on my hands and knees it felt too long, but when standing it felt too short, the tester shared. It depends on personal preference, but the ability to extend or shorten this handle should minimize the discomfort for anyone who's interested in the Evriholder tool. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Furlifter Pet Hair Remover for on the go. This mini brush from OXO is a great option for the pet owner on the go because of its compact design and ability to be stored away in a bag, car compartment or desk. The small bristles are designed to act as both a lint roller and pet hair remover, making it ideal for a quick touch-up to your clothing before heading out the door. Our tester also pointed out that it's more environmentally friendly than using a paper lint roller. The only snag that the tester ran into was the hair removal process from the bottom of the device, where it collects hair after cleaning a surface. Some hair was stuck at the bottom of the brush, but they wrote off the experience as not being a deal-breaker. Number 4. Lilly Brush Pro Pet Hair Toolkit. 2 is better than 1. This toolkit is not only a crevice cleaning set complete with 1 white blade and another spatula-style tool, but it was a standout product for deep cleaning during our tests. The 14-inch spatula is perfect for reaching down into hard-to-clean areas, like in between car seats, and the white blade is equipped with a finger strap for more control over the hair removal process. Our tester was amazed by how easy it was to clean typical problem areas. I was really surprised at how handy the crevice tool was, although the handle was really so much longer than it needed to be. It got all the way into the folds of the chair between the seat and the back. Though that handle is a bit long, it comes in handy in tight spaces. Number 5. Uproot Cleaner Pro Reusable Pet Hair Remover. The Uproot Pet Hair Remover is built like a carpet scraper, but can serve many functions in your home. This tool's grooved metal edge is designed to collect not only pet hair, but dust and lint as well as it moves over your fabric surfaces. Being that this reusable tool is designed for crevices in your furniture, our tester said that someone who is constantly cleaning pet hair off furniture would love it. Our tester advises users to be careful if using this on clothing, however, as the metal areas of the device could be potentially damaging to fine fabric. But when it comes to furniture, have a field day. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.